Good job.
Stop destroying it.
Alright.
Oh, damn. Yeah, that
Snaps right on out.
get out.
Very good.
A little bit of work.
Yep. Next, we're taking off this piece. And where are the screws located that you have to take off?
Here and over here. You
Copy
see
that.
You want to keep these.
Okay. Next.
Yeah.
Very good. Next. So the screws are off, and the screws are in the top drawer. We're closing it, and now we're taking off the top piece. Go ahead, guys. You need 2 people to take off, 1 person on one side. You lift straight up.
On that side.
Next, we're going to take off this top piece, and Alex is holding his ratchet, and it is 3/8, 4 screws.
Long screws, by the way.
They've taken the 4 screws out here, 2 screws here, and 4 here. This side looks like this. There's 2 back there, 1 here. On the right side, there's 2. Notice on the left where Alex is, wave your hand, Alex, there is a black lip. All the cubicles have a black lip on the left, the right side doesn't. All right, gentlemen, you can now take those pieces off, and we're going to lay them down, and we'll store those separately. And these pieces we will be placing inside of this unit. Next, we're going to take the 2 blue pieces off. John, go ahead and lift your side up. His pulls out nice and easy. We're also going to take off the white fence thingy. And Alex is underneath. Let me see your light, buddy. And what size, Rich, do you have?
12.
12 what?
Just 12 millimeters.
All right, 12 millimeter bracket, right?
Yes. It's not an easy process. It's difficult.
Yes. Lastly, there are 3 remaining pieces. We have the right corner, we have the left corner, and we have the extension. In order to separate these 2, there are 3 fasteners that are holding this together. The first one is here. I need you to point to them, buddy. Here, the top, the bottom piece, there, and the pointed top, there. And we are now going to unloosen them with a ratchet wrench and a screwdriver. That simple. And now finally, after all the screws are removed, the pieces just simply separate. Alex, John, will you please show them how this extension just neatly pulls apart, bam, and then show them how the corners just simply pull apart. Very good. Thank you.